Hey ladies and gentlemen, my name is Alan with the Contractor License School, and today I want to give you some information on our Contractor License online prep course for our Earthwork and Paving Contractor, also known as your C12 licensed contractor. And I really want to just give you 5 things today, and that first thing is this. When it comes to our online program, we have 2 options. The first is our Homeschool Option, which basically in a nutshell, you get your materials, get access to all of our stuff, you take your quizzes, you do your work, and you get your license and done. Of course, we're going to help you with the application and the other steps, but you go at your own pace. Now the LiveStream is this. That's where you get all your materials and everything, but here's the cool thing. You're going to be in the classroom live with other students, which is, this classroom is broadcast to you live from our classroom, and you're going to be able to ask questions with the instructor. You're going to be able to stay after class and talk to the instructor. You're going to be able to hear the other students ask questions. And by the way, when you ask a question, you're just benefiting the class because they're able to hear things that maybe they weren't thinking about, and we're able to talk about that. So I want to make sure that you're not alone. You're going to get that full classroom experience. You're going to save a buck because you're not going to put all that gas in that gas tank just to get over to one of our classrooms, and maybe potentially you live a little bit farther from our school than the average person, okay? The second thing is our materials. Now we have great materials. First of all, I want to point out our bag. I love this thing. It's one of those tote bags. Pop on your back, make everybody jealous, right? Of course, I'm being goofy, but I want you to know our tagline. We mean that when we say our passion is your success. We want you to know our passion is to really help you grow and thrive in business. So we're going to provide also our law and trade audio, which you're going to be able to get, and you're going to be able to listen to wherever you're at. You're also going to get our videos. So these are representing our videos, whether it's video access or even in the hard copy format. And really, one of the things I'm particularly excited about is our materials. You're going to get the law material for the C12 license and the trade material, ladies and gentlemen. The reason why I like this is because when I got my test many years ago and I walked out of there, I did pass the first try, but I was a little confused. The curriculum I had used, it just wasn't that great. And so I thought to myself, if I ever get out of here and write this, if I ever start my own school, I'm going to rewrite this curriculum. So I did just that. I rewrote it using my years of experience as an elementary school principal and an educator and professor, as well as all my years as a licensed contractor who leveled up and did lots of remodel, a lot of hotels, restaurants, things across California. And I used that experience to rewrite this curriculum. And honestly, I believe it's the best curriculum of all the schools in the entire United States. I believe it because I wrote it. And every year I constantly concentrate on focusing on how can I improve it? How can I make it better? How can I make this so that it teaches and uses all the greatest technique and teaching style to make it simple and easy for the learner? And so, ladies and gentlemen, I think we have the best curriculum here. Test it out, give us a call, you can check that out. The third thing is this. We're going to give you access to our entire online program. So you just go to our website, click the word login, gives you access to everything with all of our videos, our quizzes, and really the most important part is this, our state simulated tests. You pass those, you're going to pass the state exam first try, which leads me to our 4th thing, which is our promise. Hey, you pass our test, we guarantee you're going to pass the test at the state level the very first try. The other part of that promise is this. I want to make sure that this program is seamless and as simple as possible. Hey, I know that you're busy, you're working, a lot of you probably are trying to manage a variety of different things. Let us do what we do best. Let us take care of all the steps and processes so you don't have to worry about it. You can sleep at night, focus on the things that are important. All we want you to do is do 2 things, and that's how we make it simple as possible for you. Study our material, pass our tests. You do that, you're going to be golden. No worries. All right, the 4th thing is this. Well, that was the 4th thing, the promise. The 5th thing I should say is this, and that is our service. We don't want you to think that you're just some clog in the wheel. We're going to get you into our school, spit you out, you're on your own, you got your license, you're done. I want you to make sure, I want to make sure that you know that our passion really is your success. We're going to take care of you. We're going to be there in your corner. We're going to be taking you through the steps. You need to get a hold of us. You can call us, you could text us, you could email us. You can even set a meeting with with us over Zoom so we can talk, discuss, move you through the process. We want to make sure you're going to get the full class teacher experience in both online options, ladies and gentlemen. So just know we're going to take care of you. The second thing about that service, I want you to know I'm a serial entrepreneur that has started several businesses, and I want you to know that when you're done, you got your license and you're leveling up, you want to grow that business, you need advice, you need help, that you are not alone. Give us a call. We're here. We're going to help you out. So my name is Alan. This has been a discussion on the Contractor License online prep course for earthwork and paving. In other words, the C12 license. Okay? So ladies and gentlemen, go check out more information on our website, www.contractorlicenseschool.com. I look forward to seeing you in our class. Bye-bye. Before you go, punch that subscribe button. Don't forget, if you want information on how to get your contractor's license, go down to the description below. We have all kinds of great resources and information there, and we look forward to helping you out. So again, we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.